I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dr. Shivam Karnad, Matki Gate Sayankar, B.K. Gokat, Yuvar Anantamurti, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kamraj.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satraya Assam, Matki dance Madhya Pradesh, Gandiya Gujarat, Ekshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Namavadi, Namanam, Deriya, Tamilavadadi, Violet, Hemuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India. Ganesappa Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golden Temple, Punjab. Gujarat Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Sun Temple, Odisha. Nandavasi Bihar. Taj Mahal.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Hathaparveda.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dasabata Ramnar Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nrsimha, Bhavana, Basurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: India Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarinananda, Bal Bhagatur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Sardar Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Iswana Patasik, Chandrasekhar, B.B. Narasimha Rao, Anta Theory Vaswani, H.T. Devegowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festival.
India Festival: January. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Magaram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India: ದುರ್ಗಾಬಾಯಿ ದೇಶ್ಮುಖ್, ಅರ್ನಾಶ್ಮ ಬಾಲಿ, ಸುಚೇತ ಕಿಪಲಿತಿ, ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ, ರಮೋರ ನೆಹರು, ಕಸ್ತೂರ್ಬಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಬಸಂತಿ ದೇವಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಬೇಗ ಭದ್ರತ್ ಮಹಾಟ್.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsisism.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assamese, Bengali, Dodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sankani, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Famous temple in India.
Famous temple in India: Meenakshi Temple, Tamil Nadu; Kissimisa Temple, Maharashtra; Tirupati Temple, Andhra Pradesh; Jagannatha Temple, Orissa; Somnath Temple, Gujarat; Akshardham, Delhi; Bhagwati Temple, Gigan; Kamakya Temple, Assam; Kissimisa Temple, Uttar Pradesh.
President of India.
Presidents of India: Indira Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, D.B. Girin, E.B. Jatti, Ilam Sandeebai Edi, Jai Singh, Ramasamy Venkataman, Janka Jaya Sharma, K.R. Narayan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
District in Karnataka.
District in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chandranagar, Chikmagalur, Chikballapura, Chitradurga. Dakshin Kannada: Devanagari, Aduvar, Dagan, Assam, Haveri, Kalamurgi, Telugu, Kolat, Konkana, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijaypura, Hegiri.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 India scientists: APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyendra Bose, Meghna Saha, Rablo Chandra Ray, Salim Ali, Homi J. Baba, Satish Chandra Bose, Ramanujan, C.B. Raman, Subramania Chandrasekhar.
Top 10 peaceful country of world.
Top 10 peaceful country of world: Canada, Czech Republic, Ireland, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, Portugal, Denmark, New Zealand, Iceland.
Country and capital.
Country and capital: India, New Delhi; Russia, Moscow; Thailand, Beijing; Pakistan, Islamabad; Afghanistan, Kabul; Nepal, Kathmandu; Bhutan, Thimphu; Sri Lanka, Colombo; USA, Washington; United Kingdom, London; Canada, Ottawa; France, Paris; Italy, Rome; Germany, Berlin; Indonesia, Jakarta; India, New Delhi; Japan, Tokyo; Kenya, Nairobi; Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur; Oman, Muscat; Thailand, Bangkok; Qatar, Doha.
Indian monument.
India Monument, Taj Mahal, Agra, Gate of India, Maharashtra, India Days, New Delhi, Golden Temple, Punjab, Agar Mahal, Rajasthan, Charminar, Hyderabad, Amer Port, Rajasthan, Lotus Temple, New Delhi, Qutub Minar, New Delhi, Francisco, Madhya Pradesh, Matakosi, Agra, Hampi Port, Karnataka, Golden Port, Madhya Pradesh, and Masjid, New Delhi. Jama Masjid, New Delhi, Jantar Mantar, Jaipur, Amar Temple, Assam.
Hindu Lunar
Month, Chaitra, Vaisakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Falguna. Kings of Karnataka, Pulkesi, Krishnavarnaya, Vishnuvarnana, Navya Varma, Ramonda Vasa, Annakalli Nayangar, Kitturani Chanama, Akka Bukka, J. Savarat Jodayan, Kempe Gowda. Union Territories, Angabad, Nicobar, Nagar Haveri, Damanur, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Chandigarh.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and education, right to constitution and remedies.